Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views update for April 20th, 2018 from Brokerage Free. Important points to note from yesterday's trading session. Markets ended on a positive note yesterday. A doji type of candlestick was formed in the daily charts. A doji pattern indicates that the opening and the closing price remains the same, whereas there is a difference in the intraday high and low. Nifty claimed the crucial resistance level of 10,550. Foreign institutional investors sold about 624 crores worth of shares. Domestic investors brought about 448 crores worth of shares. For Nifty, yesterday it opened at 10,563 and closed at 10,565. It was up by about 39 points from previous day close of 10,526. Intraday high of 10,572 and a low of 10,546. Support levels for Nifty currently is around 10,550 and 10,535. Resistance levels are at 10,575 and 10,590. Markets may be range bound and a bit volatile today. If you have a look at this chart, you can see that the doji type of candlestick is formed in the daily chart. The opening is about 10,563 and the closing, if you notice, is about 10,565. Both of them are at almost around the same index. However, if you see, there is a difference in the high and low during the intraday session. There is a high of 10,572 and low of 10,546. So this type of candle is called doji type candlestick. It basically indicates that the momentum is being lost and the markets may continue to be range bound or maybe start coming down, having a trend reversal. Let's have a quick look at the call and put for 20th April 2018. The most active calls, if you can look, it is at around 10,700 and 10,600. So these two levels are expected to form the crucial resistance levels for the bullish run. And also, what is noticed is that there is a lot of call winding happening at 10,500. Have a quick look at the active puts. The indexes at 10,400 and 10,500 is where we see a lot of open interest with about 54 lakhs and 51 lakhs of shares. So these two strike prices are expected to be the key support levels if Nifty happens to start climbing down. Let's have a quick look at the world markets. The American markets ended slightly on a negative note with about 0.34% and 0.57% for Dow Jones and SP 500. The Brazilian index closed marginally higher than the previous day. Canadian index was down by about 0.57%. The European markets also were range bound yesterday and with very minor changes than the previous day. The Asian markets, Japanese improved roughly about 0.23%. Hong Kong index also improved roughly about 0.29%. The Mumbai Sensex and the NSE Nifty improved by about 0.28 and 0.37% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was roughly about 10,562 with a difference of about 26 points down, of about 0.25% down. So we expect that markets should open around the same range and be range bound today. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Views from Brokerage Free for April 20th, 2018. Good luck with your trades today. Thank you.